wanted to do a quick review on the iPhone 12 Pro Max clear case and now leather case, both by Apple. I got the phone 3 days ago and wanted to get a case that day, and I went with the clear case with the MagSafe. I love the case. It feels great. It's not as slick as some of the reviews that I've read on Amazon and Apple, but I did put some rubber grip tape, as you can see, on the sides. Gives me a little bit more grip, but I'm a big fan. They claim that this new material on the back is scratch resistant. I haven't scratched it yet. You know, it doesn't feel like normal plastic. It's just got a little give to it. It does collect fingerprints pretty good, but you can wipe it off, and it doesn't leave the typical swirls that you would normally see on the cheap plastic ones. I think it looks great. But now I want to put on the leather. I've been told that this leather case should almost look like an old leather wallet once you get done using it after a while, which I think is pretty cool. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Oh wow. It smells like leather. It smells like a baseball glove. This case is made with high quality leather to protect your iPhone. There's the MagSafe. We've got metal buttons on the side, which is awesome. That's going to be great with the iPhone. Okay, let's get this on. These cases are on there tight, so you've got to be careful. And this is the MagSafe Clear. I can see just a little hairline scratches on it. I mean, this is 2 days, so I don't know what that will look like after a year. I have not found a clear case yet that doesn't hold scratches, but we're under high light right now. Maybe that has something to do with it. So let's get this leather one on here. Here's the iPhone. It just feels great. MagSafe. Wow. Okay. And this iPhone, I made sure to put the screen cover on it. I love it. Feels great. Good grip. And you can't even pull that out of my hand. And they say after a few months it'll be unique. I guarantee it'll look just like this. Make sure to like and comment below. I'm a big fan. And that's real leather. Time will tell with the clear case. I like the clear case because it shows the color of the phone. But I like this leather too. So, like and review. Hope you enjoy. Oh, one more thing. This case, a little more protection than the clear case. Appreciate it.